Welcome back to Next Gen Motors, your go-to destination for the latest reviews, updates, and in-depth coverage on all things automotive. If you're passionate about cutting-edge vehicles, next-level features, and detailed performance breakdowns, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss an update. And don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts down below. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Toyota Revo Hilux pickup truck, a model that's been turning heads and setting new standards in the mid-size pickup category across the United States. Toyota has taken a bold leap forward with the 2026 Revo Hilux, combining the rugged legacy of the Hilux lineup with futuristic design, improved efficiency, and advanced technology. This pickup is not just a refresh, it's a complete reimagining that positions the Hilux as a serious contender in the growing segment of performance and lifestyle-oriented trucks. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or someone looking for a reliable daily driver with a powerful twist, the Revo Hilux is shaping up to be a top pick for 2026. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Revo Hilux is expected to feature a robust engine lineup. The standard model comes with a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers an impressive balance between power and fuel efficiency. Toyota is also offering a hybrid variant, pairing the same engine with an electric motor to offer enhanced torque and better fuel economy, a move that aligns with Toyota's long-term electrification strategy. Rumors suggest a possible GR Sport variant that could include a tuned-up engine for high-performance needs, making this a pickup that's ready for both work and play. Toyota has revamped the exterior of the Revo Hilux to match the tastes of American truck lovers. The design features a wider stance, aggressive grille, sharper LED headlamps, and bold character lines that communicate strength and agility. The pickup bed is redesigned for more functionality and easier access, and Toyota has made sure to use lightweight materials in construction to improve overall performance and handling. Higher trims also include options like 18-inch alloy wheels, off-road tires, and a dual-tone color scheme that adds to the sportiness of the vehicle. Inside, the 2026 Revo Hilux offers a level of refinement that is rare in this segment. Premium materials cover the dashboard and seats, and the layout is driver-focused with easy-to-reach controls and a digital-first approach. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster comes standard on mid and upper trims, along with a massive 14-inch infotainment display that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Toyota's latest voice command system is also included, making it easy to control navigation, music, and climate with simple voice prompts. The cabin is also packed with comfort and convenience features. Depending on the trim level, buyers can expect ventilated leather seats, wireless charging, dual-zone climate control, and multiple USB-C ports. Rear seat space has been improved thanks to a longer wheelbase, making the Revo Hilux a practical option for families or crews needing extra room. Storage is also plentiful with under-seat compartments and smartly designed door bins. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Revo Hilux strikes a perfect balance between rugged off-road capability and smooth on-road manners. Toyota has equipped the truck with an updated suspension system that features adaptive dampers on higher trims. This means the ride quality adjusts depending on the terrain or drive mode selected. The 2026 Revo Hilux also includes multiple drive modes such as Eco, Normal, Sport, and Off-Road, giving drivers the flexibility to adapt to different driving conditions seamlessly. Safety is another area where the Revo Hilux shines. Toyota has included the latest version of Toyota Safety Sense, which bundles in features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with lane keep assist, pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims add a 360-degree camera system and advanced parking sensors to make urban driving in tight parking situations easier to handle. Towing and payload capacities are expected to be competitive in its class. With the right configuration, the Revo Hilux is estimated to tow up to 7,700 pounds and handle a payload of just over 1,600 pounds. This makes it suitable for a variety of tasks, whether it's towing a trailer, hauling equipment, or packing up for a weekend adventure. In terms of pricing, while Toyota has not officially confirmed final figures, experts predict the base model will start around $35,000 with fully loaded versions reaching into the $50,000 range. Toyota is expected to offer several trim levels including base SR, mid-level SR5, TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, Limited, and possibly a GR Sport for those wanting maximum performance and aggressive styling. The 2026 Revo Hilux brings a fresh wave of innovation and style to a market that's increasingly demanding more from mid-size pickups. With its blend of efficiency, technology, ruggedness, and modern appeal, it's clear that Toyota has built this truck with the American consumer in mind. Whether you're tackling trails or commuting to work, the Revo Hilux is designed to do it all with confidence and style. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Toyota Revo Hilux. If you found this review helpful and want more in-depth breakdowns of upcoming cars and trucks, be sure to subscribe to Next Gen Motors. Drop a like, share this video with your fellow truck enthusiasts, and let us know in the comments what you think about the Revo Hilux. Is this the pickup truck you've been waiting for? Until next time, drive safe and stay ahead of the curve with Next Gen Motors.